Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily change the mouse pointer size on Windows 11. It's very easy. At first go to the start sign on Windows 11, click here. Herein you can find settings. If the following is not visible, just type settings here. Click on open to open the settings. On the left you can see accessibility option is visible, click on it. On clicking, the mouse pointer section is visible, mouse pointer and touch, click here. After clicking, you can see from here you can change the style, you can change the color of mouse pointer, but we want to change the size. So here it is, the size is really small, you can see. I'll just increase it. On increasing, now you can see it's really huge. You can just change it from 15 to, let's say this is fine. This is fine, I guess. So easily you can change it. You don't need to save it because it gets saved by default. If you want to again go to the exact default location, you can just drag it here. I'll keep it as it. I'll keep it here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can change the mouse pointer size on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.